Hey, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about how do you find trending sounds and trending audios on Instagram Reels, and also why bother? Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, I'm going to talk about the why first. What's the importance of trending audio? So let me open Instagram, and one of our Instagram accounts is right here. Let's go to Reels tab. And then watch right here. So this reel has 141,000 views, then 18, 23, 1 million, 54, normal, 136K. So some of these reels have significant amount of views. And one of the reasons, for example, this one right here, if I open, look at the bottom, let me mute it. Uh, we are using a trending sound, an audio that was trending on the Reels platform. So it's a hack, it's a trick, it's a strategy that you can use. Scroll through, and then I'm going to show you how to find these trending audios. But once you find trending audios, save them and then use them again and again and again to get more reach, views, and followers on Instagram platform. So now the second part of our video, how do you find it? It's actually super simple. You don't have to use any apps, any platforms, any websites. Just simply go to the Reels, and then as you're scrolling through the Reels, watch at the bottom. So this is the video, but this is the audio. So it says original audio, and you can also click here and watch for the up arrow, the arrow that's pointing to the right, I believe. This is the audio that's trending. So you can just click, let's say, and then if you scroll more, you're gonna find here's another one. Actually, this is the audio that I used, the recent video that had a lot of views. So once you identify the arrow, the trending audio, you can click here. And now if you wanted to make the video right now, I can click on use audio and then go start making my reel, right, with the same audio. So let me go back. Let's say if you do not, if you're doing the, what I do is sometimes when I'm scrolling, I'm not necessarily making videos at that time. So what I do is I save this audio. So I'm gonna click on save. And now that audio, that's trending audio, and you can see right here, it's trending. The trending audio is saved into my audio library. Now, let's say tomorrow, or I batch produce content day after, whenever I'm in my creation mode, I'll come back here and let's say, let's go to recording, and I'm about to record a reel. So when you're about to record a reel, click on the audio, and now you can see on the top, saved. And here are different, and you can see here too, it's trending. This is another one that's trending. So I can just start using that trending audio at this stage. So you can use it right then when you find it, if you are creating and posting reels, or you can save it and use it later on. So this is how you find trending sounds on Instagram Reels. Definitely use it if you're serious about creating content on Instagram Reels. Any questions, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next one. Bye for now.